Hello everyone, welcome back to the Laser. On today's episode of Will It Laser, I'm going with hamburger bun. See if it works. It's a little stale, so yeah, but we'll try it out. Let's see how it goes. Alright, that actually turned out pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. Wow. So, yeah, not too bad. That is a hamburger bun. Yes, it will laser. Next up, next up, I think I'm just going to try the inside of the hamburger bun. I did wheat bread the other day, and this is obviously white bread. So I want to see how much more detail I can get on there, and then I think ham, piece of ham is going to be next. So stay tuned. Here comes white bread, and yeah, see how it goes.